Hello. So this is Dennis, as you all know, with Royal Trades Capital. I hope my audio is a bit better today compared to other days. I'm still trying to work out how to use this mic. So let's get to it. So last week or the day before yesterday, we actually had a position on Euro USD, which did not go as planned. But remember, guys, always keep your losses small and your profits bigger than your losses. So this was my Euro USD bias on the continuation towards the downside. Had a position right here for the continuation. Things did not go as planned. We saw an exhaustion or continuation. We entered right here, somewhere here. We experienced just a few pips in profit, and then price suddenly changed direction and went back to the previous resistance point where it's currently at. So we're just waiting on proper analysis or proper confirmation. Yes, so proper confirmation on the Euro USD for the continuation. Still my bias is on the continuation towards the lower side until we see the previous H4 high being broken, which is now this. Remember, this is our low. This was a high, past high. This tool is not. High, first low, then price created a new lower high, and it has since been creating lower lows and lower highs. This is a lower low, a lower high, and then finally price tended to create its final lower low. Now we're seeing price breaking above this structure right here, retesting the previous lower high formation. Let's see if this area is going to hold or it's going to break. Once it holds, we're definitely going to experience, or we're going to see better price action on it for the continuation towards the downside, which we're already seeing very nice rejection on the upside. Maybe a second touch and then a drop. Second touch drop on Euro USD will confirm the continuation of Euro USD towards the downside. Oh, this is a nice price action. Okay. Now, apart from Euro USD, we also went through GBP AUD, where we were waiting for price to finally exhaust, which we're seeing price did exhaust. So maybe we just see another leg or another formation forming an M formation, and then a continuation towards the downside, being a very good confirmation. So maybe by Friday we're going to be, by tomorrow we're going to have seen this. Maybe we're going to see a nice push towards New York Open, and then a drop. Yeah, other than that, it has been basically consolidating for the longest time. We're seeing consolidation from October 13 at 6 October 13 through October 14. Still no movement, still no money being made on GBP AUD. So definitely this is a price, or this is a currency pair worth waiting. Yeah, so my analysis on this, I'm still on the bias on the continuation towards the downside. On GCAD, I got rid of my previous analysis. Now we're seeing different kind of biases on GBP CAD, since it is in a bearish market and price has proven itself to be continuing towards the downside. So now what we can do is we can just go through a brand new, or we can do a brand new analysis on it and see where it takes us. Yeah, just a minute. Let me check my email. Just saw an important text popping up on my screen. Let me see an email. Okay, so let's just do the zoom first, and then sorry, not zoom, the live first, and then we're going to continue. I'm going to check my emails in a few. So we are definitely seeing prices a bit more bearish when it comes down to the H4 time frame. Maybe today we can do something different. We are going to do an analysis from the H4 time frame, since it works best. Also, we can also change up the trading style a bit as we await. Once we hit 200 subscribers, we're going to do a trading challenge. We're going to do a scaling up challenge where we're going to take up more funds, more proprietary. We're going to open up a prop farm, not open up a prop farm, but we're going to do a challenge, prop farm challenge for anyone who is interested. So H4 time frame, definitely understand where price is going even before even going to the line chart. What is this? This is a nice high. We can definitely see GBP AUD has been on a bearish move for the longest time, this being the second wave low. For anyone who has studied Elliott wave, we definitely can see this is what do we call this? ICT, not ICT per se, but there's this other strategy we studied a while back, lower high, lower low. Steve Mauro's market maker. Here we can definitely see the first push, nice small exhaustion, second push. We're definitely expecting this second push to be a bit bigger, since we are not seeing any strong exhaustions, but we're definitely expecting this second push to be a bit bigger, because we've not seen a proper exhaustion on GBP CAD of late, and this is on the H4 time frame. So what we're going to do, we're definitely just going to be taking the short positions according to the strong areas. Once we see a strong area is when we are going, is where we're going to take our positions from. This is already, we are already having some good news here, since we are seeing price is definitely on a resistance level, this being our first confluence, definitely creating a new lower high formation, a new lower high formation on the H4 time frame, looking like a nice M formation. Let's see what happens. Yes, this is definitely something looking nice, definitely something worth the while. We're also seeing there is a lot of resistance at this level. We're seeing price is holding up pretty well, since we are also on a bearish market and it's on a high. We're seeing a lot of resistance at this area, resistance. Price is also just being rejected off these areas. This is the H1 time frame. Maybe we can reduce and see if we're getting proper price action. Not the best kind of price action on this time frame, but we're seeing some nice price action, since we're seeing an M formation on the M30 time frame. We're also seeing some sort of evening star formation, awaiting this 30-minute candle to close, maybe in the next how many minutes, 13 minutes to the candle close on the M30. Nice candle close, and then a continuation towards the downside. Remember, if we take this position, we're just basically going to go back to the higher time frame, see where we can take our first take profit, second take profit, third take profit. If we use this as our final high, resistance, nice, definitely on a strong bearish trend. Swing high, swing low, back there. Maybe once we see some good price action. Remember, our first target is always at 50 is always our first target. Our best target is always at 61.8, and our final target is always at 1. what you can do is actually you can also stack up your positions. For those guys who like scaling into a position, every time price gives you starts going towards your direction, gives you an exhaustion, you can enter new positions, new risk, and also trail stop on your previous position. So always just be looking at price action, always wait for price action to properly play out so as you can enter your position. Remember also, higher time frame price action is better than lower time frame price action. Higher time frame confirmations is always better than lower time frame confirmation. Since we are understanding the direction of the market, we are in a bearish trend, we are seeing a lot of exhaustion at this area. If we go back in time, we can also see, I believe we're also going to see a nice support area at this point. I also think we're also having some more resistance point somewhere here. Remember, we've just used the H4 time frame. We've not gone to the daily today, since we're seeing a lot of we should, I don't know why I'm mixing up my words today. I think it's because I haven't had my lunch yet. It's already 3 p.m. But anyway, since we once we use our daily time frame, we usually have to wait for so long to get into a position. And if we use our H4 time frame, I recommend you just jump straight to your M30 time frame. There is no need to go to your H1 time frame, since there isn't that much confluence you're going to see at that particular price. Also seeing some nice exhaustion right here, this information. Once we see price breaking below this area, we're definitely going to take our positions. Once we see candle closing below these areas, we're definitely going to take the short. So until we have like 10 more minutes for this, let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. I think we can afford an extra 10 minutes on GBP CAD just to see where it takes us. During those 10 minutes, you can just shoot me a message, tell me a currency pair we can analyze. These are my currency pairs. These are the pairs I usually trade. I usually trade GBP CAD a lot. I also trade gold a lot. I also like trading Bitcoin a lot, since I like trading Bitcoin actually more than I like trading other pairs, since it gives me clear market direction. So I really like trading Bitcoin. Yeah. Let me check the chat box. Let me see the chat box. As you can see, we are seeing a lot of bearish momentum. Let's just wait for the candle close. It's not advisable to even enter on such a candle that price is just pushing. It's always advisable for you just to wait, see the kind of direction of where price wants to go, and then just enter based off that. Okay. We are having a lot of push. A lot of momentum there. We're seeing a lot of momentum. Let's see. Let me go down to the M15 time frame. We all know that Nick loves to trade on the M15. It's even more beautiful on the M15 since we are having a nice M formation, very nice candlestick formation right here. Almost a hammer, but not quite a hammer. Almost a hammer. This is not a hammer. Sorry for the call, someone was trying to call me. We're seeing this is not a hammer. Why? Because the real body of this hammer is not twice the real body, or not the real body, twice the wick. Once the wick is twice the real body, then it's a confirmed hammer. So let's wait another 6 minutes, another 6 minutes, another 6 minutes, another 6 minutes. Let's see what happens. Nice close below, actually. This is a nice close. Nice close below below this area. And move it to that. Let's see another 6 minutes. Also, Euro JPY is an actually awesome pair. I like trading Euro JPY as well, but we can definitely see it's not at the best price to buy since it already left us right here. So I don't like buying pairs without a proper exhaustion, so I just ignore it for some time as we also wait for GBP CAD, GBP CAD, AUD. We've already gone through it. This is also another beautiful pair that also likes following structure. NZD USD, NZD pairs. Basically, Eric is the one who makes me look at NZD pairs. Previously, I did not look at them, but these days actually playing out pretty nicely on Bitcoin. As we all know, we are waiting for price to go all the way back to 64,000. It's at 57,800. which is a very nice price. Maybe we wait for just one more exhaustion. This is a strong level of resistance. We also see President Putin, Russian president, has just a few days ago, either today or yesterday, we saw that he did accept cryptocurrency as a mode of payment. This being very good news for the crypto industry. We're also looking forward to actually trading different currencies or different cryptos, because when it comes down to Bitcoin, it's a bit pricey for the normal consumer. If we see 100% rise in a cryptocurrency, then I think it's wise to buy the cheaper cryptos that have actually high potential to continue towards the upside, or to have a bull run. Yeah. So looking for actual good cryptos is a task that I would assign one of my crypto friends. Maybe I'm going to have him as an interviewer, or interview one of these fine days. Till then, let's just wait for this. We're having 4 more minutes for the close of GBP CAD. Are we looking at GBP CAD really? Yeah. Let's see. What's going on? What's popping? On this H1. 3 more minutes. Let's see. If it closes below, then definitely this is a nice position. Always remember, when you're taking a position, risk management is king. Since you can't just be taking positions blindly, you must manage your risk. You can have 3, 4, 5, even 7 losing positions and just 3 winning positions, and still come out as a profitable trader. Once you have your risk reward ratio in check, always do at least a 1:2 risk reward ratio. Then I believe you're also going to be in the long term profits. Also, once you take a position, only do a maximum of 3% risk on your account per time. Okay, do not take more than 3% risk per time, since you want to be trading in the long run. Do not subject your account to such risks. Also remember, if you're a professional trader and you've been trading for a very long time, you can do even a 5% risk on your account, which is not advisable for new traders or for intermediate traders. For traders who are just beginning their career, it's not the best kind of start to deal with your account. But either way, we're looking at GBP CAD. We're seeing more bearish momentum. Let's hope that it continues to go down. Maybe on the daily time frame we can just have a look and see the kind of price action we are having. Okay, not bad price action. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. H4, back to the H4 time frame. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad at all. Not bad, not bad. I think I can even use this high. Not bad at all, not bad. A cool 1 minute 30 seconds to the close of this candle. We can even take this position and see where it takes us actually. Let's see what this price does. Let's see. 40 seconds to go. On the M15 time frame, it's even looking more beautiful. It's very beautiful position. I'm not currently, I don't personally trade GJ. This is actually Nick who actually trades GJ. He once in a while uses my PC, so yeah. Gold also looking very beautiful. The continuation towards the upside on the daily time frame. We're still seeing more bullish momentum on gold. Euro USD, I also presume the same, since it goes the same direction as gold. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Some nice candle close. M15, very nice candle close. Let's see M15. Very nice. I'm executing my position, so let's see. GBP CAD, beautiful setup. Where's my stop loss? Oh, okay. $170, around 42. What about my target? Maybe I'm gonna go do my first target at 61.8. Let's see what kind of risk management risk reward ratio this is. 61.8 is perfectly fine with me. That's a nice position. Very good risk reward ratio. Continuation towards the downside. Very nice. Let me add up one more position on it. Just have two positions, roughly risking 1% of my account. Yeah, can't complain. 142. Target. Once price is at 50%, I'm definitely going to cut a majority, not a majority, but some profits. I'm going to book some profits at this level, book some more here, book some more here, book some more here. So always keep it profitable. Make sure you also take your money as much as you can. Yes, my positions are in. Let's see how they play out. Always make sure you keep an eye off any news. We might have any news anytime soon. There's a cool news. 14th of October. PPI news at what time? Oh, already passed. It was already at 3. Let's see what happened. Nothing much happened. Okay, nothing much happened. And no more news today. Tomorrow is a Friday. Let's see. Only have USD news at 3:30 p.m. Core retail sales, high impact news. This one is a definitely watch out. Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys. I don't think I have anything else to say. If you have a question, feel free to drop it in the chat box. I will surely get back to you. Leave a like, share. Let's keep it profitable. Thank you everyone. Let's see how GBP card plays out.